Let me first say that I don't think business strategy should ever be formulated on recent political developments, nor should we as business leaders define our challenge on changing political circumstances or sentiments. We need to set our eyes in the long term so that we take the right decisions for the well-being of future generations. Secondly, I want to make it quite clear that achieving the SDGs and financing them is not the unilateral responsibility of business. The private sector can contribute, but it's a shared objective between governments and civil society and us as business leaders. It's a fact that our world is increasingly polarized. This is true especially in developed markets, where disenfranchised societies are no longer willing to accept the authority and the self-entitlement of hierarchy, and what we're seeing is much more community-based thinking than we ever had before. I joined the Business Commission because I know we can blend development and positive social impact with profit. It's what I call partnership capital, and I know it works because we've been doing it for 15 years. I'm just committed to expanding this further and wider, and I encourage the global asset management industry to embrace the Business Commission's report as a point of reflection in this fast-changing world and see how they can adopt their business models to the thinking that is contained within the Business Commission. The world is changing and the time for action is clearly now.